Hi guys, welcome to 5150. I'm Dean. Today we'll be installing this door seal on our 1989 Jeep, which we call Project RockLander. So let's get this project started. There's the part number 12303.69. We bought this from Quattrotech. What we're going to do is replace this seal here. You can see it's kind of ripped out all over the place. Actually, someone put some foam rubbing on top of it. So, all right.
Just a little more out.
This is what the new so this is the channel here. That slit. That's just going to slide in the door. Got the seal here. Okay. Let's kind of let this sit out. It's not very warm out today, but we'll let it sit. For this project, we used a flathead screwdriver, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, just a stubby, and a pair of cutters here. These are just where we could cut the excess of the door. That's all you need. So we're gonna remove the trim. This is just a Phillips. So we gotta remove the trim around the whole door. There you go. Got the whole thing off. So you just slide that on the channel. Kind of work your way around. Look, it's going on pretty good, huh? Just kind of working on there.
don't want this to go over it to hold it. I have to blow some air in it to...
So you just kind of work this around. Make sure you seat it the best you can. You gotta put a little bit of muscle in it. And this is Patrick muscles. Yeah, gonna fit nice. That's gonna seal the door good. Yep. This is kind of the hard part around the dash. Just using a screwdriver just to kind of push it in. Being careful not to rip the rubber. Doing a little bit at a time. You can actually even hear it snapping when it hits. There we go. Pretty much have it all in there. We just got to put the trim back on. Just kind of wrap it around. And we just need to cut this. We'll make this as tight as we can. We just need to cut this excess. We'll make this as tight as we can. We'll cut a little big, and we can always trim. Looks like we got it on the first try. Kind of meets up good. There we go. Just gotta put the trim back on. stuff. And there it is. The new door seal's all put in. Take about 10 minutes, 15 at the most. Actually pretty easy. Now we shouldn't have any drafts coming in. All right. All right, guys, that finishes up this project of installing the door seal. Thank you for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button.